Great evening. This is Keisha Brody, helping you to attract and attain funding. The way to business credit, business finance, and grant readiness is good personal credit. So, thank you for attending the My Credit System workshop. We are excited to share some information with you today. After you complete this workshop, you will have what you need to make the right decision regarding your personal credit. Let's get started. So, facts. Let's start this conversation with a few facts about the credit industry. Credit affects everyone in some form or fashion. Therefore, everyone is interested in credit. 68 million people have poor credit. 1 in 5 people have an error on their credit report. And in 2018, the credit repair industry earned over $3 billion. 79% of people who disputed errors on their credit report were successful in removing them. Because of the importance of credit and how it plays in our lives, everyone wants good or great credit. Now, what is considered good credit and bad credit? One of the most well-known types of credit scores are FICO scores. These scores are used by many lenders and range from 300 to 850 points. So individuals with 800 scores or greater are considered to have the best credit. Now, excellent credit scores range between 750 and 799. Good credit ranges between 700 and 749. And credit scores between 650 and 700 is considered fair. You're considered to have poor credit if it falls between the ranges of 600 and 649. So any credit score below 600 is considered bad. And if the highest credit score that you can get is 850, the lowest credit score that you can get is 300. So there's a total of 550 points that are available for you to build your credit score. Now, when we look at the whole score, repairing your credit is easy because there is a basic formula that scores are calculated by. So every person starts off with 300 points, and there's a total of 550 points that is available to achieve a perfect score. So your payment history accounts for 35% of the score, of which there is a total of 192.5 maximum points. Credit utilization accounts for 30% of the score, and that's a total of 165 points. Now, your credit history or the length of history, that accounts for 15% of the score, okay? And that accounts for 82.5 point maximum points. Now, new credit accounts, that accounts for 10% of the score, and that holds a total of 55 points, whereas credit mix, that's another 10%. And so there's a total of 55 maximum points. So many credit repair companies, they focus solely on your payment history, which helps, but it won't give you the maximum advantage. Now, the My Credit System has the advantage in that it addresses the whole score, which includes all 5 factors. Okay, and so over the next few slides, I will share with you how the My Credit System addresses all 5 factors. Let's start with the payment history. Okay, now the solution for payment history is centered around 4 letters that are often called the 609 letters. Okay, these letters address a consumer's rights under Section 609 of the Fair Credit Reporting Act, which states that credit reporting agencies are required to only report verifiable information and provide the consumers with proof of verification if requested. Now, the debt validation letters, the Fair Credit Reporting Act states that you have a right to request that the CRAs validate that the debt that you are disputing is actually yours. We have the method of verification. Okay, the FCRA states that if the CRA validates your debt, you have the right to ask them for proof of verification. Okay, violation of FCRA rights, Now, this letter reminds the Credit Reporting Act that they have not provided proof of verification, okay, that was used to validate your debt. So therefore, according to the law, they must remove the debt off of your credit report. Now, the intent to litigate. This letter is the last letter sent, okay? It's notifying the CRA that you have exhausted your means of disputing the debt and that they have not proven their method of verification, okay? So you are notifying them that your next course of action is to sue for violation of your FCRA rights. So this complete process takes 30 to 120 days to complete. Okay, there are additional letters in our kits that are also available, such as the Goodwill letter, pay for deletion, medical bills, tax lien, etc. Now, let's talk about credit utilization. Okay, now this is the area that most credit repair companies ignore. Okay, credit utilization counts for 30% towards your credit score. Okay, that means that credit utilization is almost as important as your payment history. So to deal with your credit utilization, we're talking about the ratio of your outstanding credit card balances to your credit card limits. Okay, it measures the amount of credit limit you are using. So for example, if your balance is $300 and your credit limit is $1,000, then your credit utilization for that credit card is 30%. And so to fix utilization, you either pay down your revolving debts or you increase your revolving credit limits. So if you have bad credit, increasing limits may not be an option. Okay, the thing to understand is that revolving debt is what credit utilization is based on, not installment debt. So paying down your revolving debt, you'll see an improvement in your credit utilization. Now, credit history, okay? Credit history accounts for 15% of your score. The quickest and easiest solution is to become an authorized user of someone who has a credit card with great payment history and a low credit utilization. So you do not need their card to inherit their payment history. They can simply add you on as an authorized user and have the card sent to themselves, okay, where they can destroy the card so that they are assured that you cannot change anything on their account. So you're just getting their credit history, not access to their card. So you want to speak to family, friends, relatives with good credit history, with a good history, and you want to ask to be their authorized user. Now, new credit. This is 10% of your credit score. This is based on your ability to get new credit. However, this can be a challenge if you have a low credit score. Okay, so you want to consider doing one of the following. You can apply for a department store card. If your credit isn't too bad, you may be able to get approved. You want to apply for a secure credit card. Say put $500 to $1,000 on a secure credit card and use this card to build new credit. You can convert your rental history into credit with our rental history credit building program. Then you can also get a credit builder loan. Okay, this is probably your best option. The bank opens a CD in your name for $500 to $1,000. The bank freezes the CD and charges your monthly payments until you have the balance paid off. Okay, so your payments are reported to the credit bureaus. The bank then unfreezes the CD once the loan has been paid. So this process helps you in two ways. First, new credit is added to your credit report with history of on-time payments. And then secondly, by default, you build an emergency fund. Okay, so the My Credit system provides you with an excellent lending program for the credit builder loan. Now let's talk about credit mixture. This is the final 10% of your score, credit mixture. So you must have a mixture of revolving debt, that's credit card debt, and then installment debt, that's a car mortgage or a credit builder loan. Now, if you complete the first 4 scoring factors, you will automatically have this one complete, okay? The authorized user gives you the revolving debt, while the credit builder loan gives you the installment debt. Now, the My Credit System offers do-it-yourself videos. Each video is 3 to 5 minutes in length. Automated dispute letter writer, so it will write the letters for you with plug and play information. It'll reestablish your credit source, okay? You'll learn where to go to find the best credit cards and best credit builder loan programs. And so for just a one-time price of $99.95, okay, you'll have 12 months access. Now, there's also an earning potential, okay? Credit repair is a hot trend, and there are multiple ways that you can earn income with the My Credit System. You can enroll as an EVP and earn income selling the My Credit System and other My Econ products. You can build a marketing team, which will allow you to earn override commissions and residual incomes. You can also earn $49 on the personal My Credit System sales and up to $10.50 on team sales. You can earn up to $76 on personal sales and up to $10 on team sales of other My Econ memberships, and up to $15 of monthly residual income per active membership. Okay, it only costs $39.95 to start, and then only $34.95 monthly, starting 30 days after enrollment. And that those are considered business expenses, the part of upkeeping for that business. So if you're interested in earning some potential income or repairing your credit, get back with me or the person who sent you this video and get started today.